Okay, hey guys. So we came back. I have my other sister here right next to me. That was her birthday. That was her birthday. That's me. We're gonna be burping. We love to burp. So I got a whole lobster. Look at this bad boy. Mmm. Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna just lay it on this table. Plate, however you want to call it. Mmm. Mmm. This is some mussels with, let me just put it like that for now. This is the whole lobster. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Mm. And then a lobster tail. And then we have mussels. Mmm. Delicious. Oh, my sister wants me to try hers. Hers is so... Okay. My little sister didn't come with us. So, my little sister didn't come with us. And she said she wants the spiciest one. The one I got was medium. And then there's a next level. And then a maximum level after that. This one. So delicious. And she wants me to try hers. So I'm going to try it right now. First of all, she got shrimp that have the head on it. I don't want that. Look at that. Look at the head. Look at that. So I'm going to try a mussel with some of her sauce. She said she can't. She calls me. She lives right across the street. She calls me and she's like, oh my God, why did I dip my finger and it's super hot and I can't handle it? I'm like, what did you expect? And I'm on the phone and she know I was on the phone and she's calling me back to back like it's an emergency. So I get off the phone and I call her. And this is what she tells me. So right now, I'm dipping in hers. Okay, here you go. Let's see if I can handle it. Woo! Oh. Got milk? Yo, like, how did my breast get oily? Oh. Wow. Ooh. Mm. Ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah. I had to wipe my nose because it was just that hot. And I didn't want to do it on camera. Good luck with that. So now I'm going to eat this. I'm just going to dig in. Yeah, I know I don't like to wait. So, ooh. How do you do this? Look at that. Mm. Mm. Look at my little sister. Come. Poke your head in. Don't let the camera fall. I gotta do a mukbang with her one day. I keep telling her. I told her to join in today. She's like, my hair. I'm like, look at my hair. Natural's the way to be, baby. How do you break this? I think you need like scissors or something. I don't even have, where's my scissors? Look in the kitchen for me, please. In the meantime, I'm just going to eat the one that I have right here. I'm going to put it in this one. Messy. I like eating messy. Because this one's already cracked open. See? It's already cracked open, this lobster tail. But this lobster tail is beautiful. Look at that. And it's already cracked. See? Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Look at all that meat. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to take the seasoning part and put it inside. Let me rip it apart because you got to. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Fuck. Oh, so good. How's yours? You like it? That was spicy. Ooh. I can't imagine how you feeling over there. Who told? She always want to be extreme. Always. Damn. Let's see. Look at that. With all the seasoning. That lobster tail was juicy. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this if I ain't got no they didn't even put the utensils in there. Come on, shaking crab. I speak highly of you. Okay. But I don't even know where my scissors are. I feel like I let someone borrow it. My cooking scissors. Oh, come on. Okay, let me try to break it like this. Ooh. Ooh, there go that tail. Now let me break it more. Guys, I'm struggling here. All I want is the meat. Come on, come on. Slide up, slide up, slide up. Don't break on me. Just slide up. Whatever. It broke. Jesus. It's so hot, my nose is acting foolish. Oh, I opened it, guys. I opened it. We in there. Okay, let's see if I could just pull the rest out because it's already open halfway. Oh my God. I can't even talk about anything. Like, okay, boom. Ooh. How am I going to bust? Ooh, guys, I did it. I know it's terrible. But I did it. I did it. I did it. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I mean, everything is spilling. All the, I don't know if you can hear my sister, but, oh, I should have let that one out. You want to do a burping contest? Luckily, they. Oh, wow. This tastes way better than the lobster tail. Here, taste. Give yourself a break from extra hot. Right? Something about this is way better than the lobster tail together. Yo, is this the guts? I don't know. Do you guys inside of it? I really want to try the arms, but I don't know if it's possible. Because how I'm going to break it? I don't have...
You got to think the hand.
What hand? Like
that off.
This?
Break it.
Okay. The claw.
Yeah.
I'm scared with stuff like this. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
And then you suck this side. No, the other side. The other side. And then you suck it out. The other side.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, sucking the wrong hole.
You see what I'm talking about?
I don't know if I'm fond of that. It's like white.
Oh, God.
Come. If you guys are children, like, I'm telling you guys now, I'm not censoring. Okay, let me try to suck it again.
Circle this one out. Just like this. The circle is 1/8.
I see her in her circle. Looking all provocative. I'm not breaking my teeth. For nobody. My teeth is pretty okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. Yo, you're gonna have to try to break this one now. Not working. Yes, sir.
Look,
who's that?
The way.
Ooh.
Tyler.
They even put oh my gosh, she's
Trying here.
Guys, next time I'll have my scissors. They're supposed to put the utensils in there and they didn't. Which sucks. Okay, just put that down. We'll figure it out later. I'm hungry. Put it down. Is it? I don't want choc. Oh my God. What's coming out? Girl, bye. That sister name is Nika. I don't know that this meat. If you feel it though, feel like it tastes good. Okay, hold up. I'll get a little bit out now. Ooh, I think I got some of it out. Ooh. Mmm. So far, the tail's my favorite part. Man, I can't even enjoy how I wanna. Woo! Ooh, opening the body. Do you eat the body? Woo! Whoa, look at all these juices. It looks like the poo. Is this the poo? Do you eat this inside? Mm-mm. This doesn't. Yeah, I don't. I'm sorry, guys. I can't. Look, let me show you guys. Let me know if y'all supposed to eat this, because I'm not gonna eat it. But for future references, if you're, you could eat it, I'll eat it next time. But because I plan on getting them big joints one day. The juices is falling. So now, I definitely want to eat here. Here, this is the regular sauce. Since you can't handle the one that you have, sorry that my camera is not focusing. In and out. That was good. I'm gonna eat this shrimp. Dip it in the sauce. I'll put this to the side, like so. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna grab some shrimp, some mussels. Delicious. My sister's crying. I love mussels. Eat it clean. So good. Ooh! What are you laughing at? Just fell right here. Oh my God. Why is this one not opening? There you go. It's so spicy, it's hot. I mean, like hot. Guys, do you guys have anything that you guys want me to eat or try? Oh my goodness. I'm about to show you guys my belly. I don't have a flat belly. Wow. So good. Yeah, I should see my sister. She look like she can't breathe. But she burping though. Yeah. Ooh, the burping champ is here. Look at that. This is messy eating. Oh. So now I'm gonna dip it. Wait, I still had a little piece in there. Okay. That's how it looks. Wow. See how she's tongue twisting. You see how she's holding her food. She's like, she's like to have a baby. Like, no, I'm in pain. You push it. You gonna do this. Oh, that spice went down the wrong. Oh. Woo. Okay. Here it is. Now I'm going to put some sauce. You guys should really see her. I can't. We can't. Sorry, guys. It went down the wrong hole. You guys should really see her. Oh my God. This is so good. So juicy. Oh my God. And so spicy. If mine is spicy, imagine how hers is. She didn't get the spice after mine. She got top notch. I said, you sure? I want the hottest. I said, okay, you want that mega shit. And now she's like, let's look. Girl. This mustard is the bomb. Okay. I still got more. You guys know I can't eat a lot. I never could finish. One day is my goal to finish all the food that. It was delicious. That is delicious. Feed my belly, guys. See? Look. Stain on my shirt. And then look at my belly. Belly, 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 belly. I have to work on it. But right now, oh my God. Ooh, that was lingering. It's always towards the end that the big ones come out. Always. And even after I finish recording, huge burps. And I used to think like, dang, I should have recorded that. But yeah. I know some of you asked for a burping contest. I will do that soon. I think I'll do it with my sister because she over there burping too. And you guys hear her? Look at her. She just did one just now. And she just did another one. That was a small one, but you know I would have won that. But yeah. I keep looking over there. I need to look at the camera, right? No. Oh, so delicious, guys. I know usually I'm talking about something, but yeah, I still got the rest of this lobster. They gave me the utensils. They didn't get the utensils, and my scissors, don't know where they are. So I couldn't even, see? Mm. 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 Just seemed like it would taste so good if I had the scissors. But yeah. So good. You know what I want right now? A lollipop. Weird, but I want a lollipop. Alright, guys. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me. DM me. I notice a lot of people get mad when I don't reply how they want me to reply. So, no offense or anything like that. Look, I got so dirty. But, like, I'm human. I do work. I do work, and I do have a kid, as you can hear him. So, I do juggle with a lot. Well, it's so good. All right, guys. My son's crying. And I'm full. This is so good. If I could just break it open. Oh, here we go. If I could just break this part. We in there. Oh, guys. Crack it. There it is. That is good right here. Oh no. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I did. Talk about play with food. Everything here is eaten except for the arms, which sucks. I know I said I was gonna get off so many times. yeah. Just so much food. So much goodness. I think the next one I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna eat and burp. And then just if I need to say anything, I'll just whisper. Or how do y'all want it? Tell me. Tell me if you want me to whisper instead, because I can whisper, baby. Again, I'm not here to be a role model. So kids, go to bed. Block me. Block me. Block me. I'm not here to be a role model. I'm not here to be anyone's example. I just like food. I'm a foodie. I like food. And I'm crazy. My personality is I don't care. My life's lit, baby. So yeah. Subscribe. Like. Thumbs up. Whatever. Until next time. That was my sister. She'll be here next time. You got any more burps, girl? Ooh.
I can't be good.
Checkmate, baby. Wait. Wait. Do I have any more? Until next time, guys. Ooh. All right, guys. Later.